I first heard about Solar Heart decades ago because of the familiar rooftop, old-style solar hot water. So I chose Solar Heart from 3 quotes, by far the best explained and the best designed system for my needs. Neil's an enthusiast and he understands the systems, and he's really careful at listening to what the user requires. Unlike some of the competitors who really came in with spin, wanting to sell a product that they wanted to sell rather than custom design a system. I've made extraordinary savings and far more than Solar Heart predicted, so I'm really delighted with that. In terms of my electricity consumption, I have had to draw from the grid because in Tasmania, in winter, we have a long heating season and low sunlight hours. But over the course of the 12-month period, I've more than covered that, so that I've not paid over the course of a year for any of my electricity consumption. That's all been provided by my system. My advice to buyers is don't wait. The longer you wait, the longer you're waiting to receive the benefit of going into solar. Payback periods are shorter than you've been led to believe.
I got smart with Solar Heart.